Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard download, driver download. So first we have to come to website gigabyte.com and then click to search button and then enter model number B860M DS3H WiFi6E and then enter. Then click to product. So select this is really 1 and really 1.2 and 1.2. So installations process same. Click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any because both installations process driver installation process same. VLAN. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is Intel Wi-Fi driver and click to download. Wait few seconds. It is completed. Then open and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Wi-Fi driver installing. It will done. If it is facing some issues, so try to another try. Ban and then close it.